Hello everyone, it's us. We haven't filmed in a while and we're back here. We have a little short return with Bird Nest Cemetery, or how they originally called it. Now they changed his name to Private Family Cemetery. They just changed its sign.
Now, we're going to come here at night. But I want to walk around and look around.
Walk around, look around, and check around.
Okay, here we go.
You can see my grandmother's there. Let me shut the gate. Oh God.
What?
Look at that big tree limb.
Yep. I might have been from the storm.
Yeah. Luckily it didn't hit those two graves right there.
You see, it's a little bitty cemetery.
Hey, and by the way, you can see they have a new grave.
Where?
Oh. They're behind those giant mounds on the ground. Watch out, Momo.
Right here, huh?
That's the new one.
Let's see.
Is it a new one?
Yep. That's the new one. I wonder if that's where that girl's at that got killed on that road.
Might not be. Well, we had a bad windstorm a few days ago.
Can they see us?
Yeah. Yeah, they can see us, but I have to point it out. Sorry. We have to see if the camera's still on.
Right here. This lady here.
Veronica.
Out here one time.
Amazing Grace.
That's very pretty.
Hey, look at that. Look at that grave. Right there. That one looks new also.
Yeah, see what the name is over there.
Let me see. It's just a sign of the of Burroughs Smith Wardrobe Materials Memorials. I'm in. Sorry, I can't read that good. I can't read French. Okay. Wow. You can tell.
Veronica, I
It's
come
all
here one
opening.
time
Oh.
and you wanted to talk to me. Can you talk now?
Please.
Please? Hello? Veronica? Hello? Hi. How are you? Are you here with us? Yes.
You're late.
Are you here with us?
Hey, do you hear a man that says you're late?
Yeah.
Why
Veronica, love it.
Lovelet. Gelsu. Gelsu.
Hey, I come here one time and you wanted to talk to me, so
That's like
I
a couple
came.
months ago.
Yeah, and I came back. I'm so sorry. Yeah. Yeah, you heard.
It's just because you haven't picked up hardly that last time we visited.
Yeah. Well, my camera shut off.
Yeah, because we have mental problems. Not mental problems, technical problems with the camera messing
Who
up.
is this next to you? Who is this
On
person?
top of you.
Yeah, next to you. Yeah, I know dead, but who? What is their name?
Team?
Who?
Team?
What is their name next to you, Veronica?
Tim.
At the head of you, who is that?
You just said it, Tim. Did you say Tim? There's Joseph Lovelet Jr.
Who am I standing in front of? What is the name of this headstone? Who is this?
And the wind is getting a bit choppy.
Who?
Hope the mic doesn't catch all the wind.
What is this headstone's name?
Hello, sir. What's your name? Man, you can tell the wind is getting a bit choppy. Boy.
Boy.
Yeah, I'm a boy. We're living. D? Nut. D's nuts? Did it just say D's nuts? Stop.
What is this headstone that I'm standing in front of? What is the name on it?
Sue.
Sue! Did you hear that?
Sue.
What is the name? Who is this?
Let's see. I'm turning red because I got amazed by I heard Sue. Look,
That's her name.
that's her middle name, Sue.
Yeah. Oh my God, Hannah.
Look like the rumors are true.
Oh, this is Fontenot. Hello,
Connie.
Connie. Connie Fontenot. Hello? Hello?
Connie Fontenot?
Yes. Oh, God. Hello? That was a shame you got killed.
How old is who's this?
That's when it got killed in that motorcycle wreck.
Holy crap, that's her?
That's her. Hello? Connie Fontenot? Can you come through?
I don't want to know what her body looks like
Can you come through?
from that motorcycle accident. Jesus Christ. I don't want to picture what it means.
Can you come through?
This girl, we heard of her. She was killed in a motorcycle accident like far across the road. Which way, Momo?
Over there by Gillis.
Gillis. Somewhere around Gillis. Her and her husband.
Her
right?
boyfriend.
Her boyfriend, I mean. and
Around Mardi Gras.
around Mardi Gras. You know Mardi Gras, they like to party and drink a lot, and technically it was a drunk accident. She went flying into the woods and he went to the road. Sorry viewers, I said something about graphic crap. Sorry. And pardon my language. Connie.
Connie Fontenot.
How do you feel?
Can you come through? Yes. Well, I'm here.
How do you feel, Connie?
Hello. Hello.
That's a man.
Yeah. Hello.
Is her husband buried here?
No, he's buried down the road.
Oh.
Okay. Nice talking to all of you.
But first we have to talk to her about how does she feel.
No.
But hey, it's crazy that we heard Sue.
Yeah.
Viewers?
And I heard that girl says I'm here.
Mhm.
Okay. Now we're gonna be coming out here at night. How about that? But not right now. I got another little treat.
We got another treat. This is just a special video. We're here to check out Bird's Nest. But we have a very special treat coming this Easter break. It's going to be a good surprise. Sorry.
So we're back on the road.
Yeah. Yours is not. This is not.
Okay. We'll see y'all later.
But they changed its name. They changed Bird Nest to Private Family Cemetery. So we're gonna say
Goodbye.
goodbye. Peace out.